Here with a look at Turbo. All right, you can see on the Fibonacci levels here, we came up to a 618 up in this box, right up in here. All right, we came to that 618 level and got rejected so far. All right, down here, this purple box, that was our entry for Discord. We've rode this up to here, got a pullback. Now, what we're looking for is a fifth wave up here out of this structure. Okay, uh, something like this. You know, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 up there towards 11.3. Now, are we going to get that? Well, we'll take a look here at this in just 1 second. I do want to tell you something right now that came to my attention today. Crypto.com is running a special. All right, you don't get it unless you use the link in the description of the video. If you go over there and just sign up, you don't get it. All right, you got to use the link in the description of the video. I believe it's $50 or $100 in crypto you have to have in there, and then you get $50 bonus on top of it. All right, if you click on the link in the description, it'll tell you everything over there. All right, it's a special they're running right now. I love Crypto.com. I've had them now for over 5 years. Signed up to their affiliate program here. They're I love it. They're awesome. I at one time I had about $60,000 sitting on there. Didn't worry about it really. Didn't move it to my main wallet. Left it on there for quite a while. Zero fee USD deposits. You can use bank wire transfers, Apple and Google Pay. What I use is one of them cards you can buy at the store and load money on. Um, I like using that card. Actually, I use Cash App, put it on that card, and then go over to crypto.com and buy my crypto. I'm on there almost every single day. Over 100 million users. You can trade your predictions right now with sports. You know, that's huge. Regulated across the U.S. Went up to 1 Bitcoin worth of rewards in the app. Welcome bonus. So over there, not just only the $50. You know, they have all kinds of welcome bonuses, up down options. They have everything. Predict where Bitcoin price will be in 20 minutes. Crypto baskets. Over 100 million users. That's huge. All right, you got all the prices on there, right up to the minute. They even have a card, the Crypto.com Visa card. I ordered one. Um, I did. I love crypto. They're into everything. The UFC. You see the Crypto.com insignia on the ring. Um, yeah, you get the most of your assets safely. Calculate rewards. You can stake over there. You can do everything over there. The DeFi made simple. On chain, your keys, your crypto earn no lockup period and stable returns. Swap DeFi coins and earn triple the yield. You know, so I staked my Cardano on there. Last I had 50,000 Cardano, and that's crazy because I got it for like 2 cents in 2021, and it went up to almost $3. You know, pretty nuts. Crypto, you know, their vision, cryptocurrency in every wallet. Founded in 2016. They're solid, man. I wouldn't even promote something like this unless I knew for 100%. Like I said, I've been on there going on 5 years. Never once had a problem moving anything, crypto, money, anything. I really enjoy them. So check out the link in the description, guys. It's only going on for a certain amount of time. I mean, it's worth going over there. I even thought of this. You know, if you deposit the 100 and you get the 50 for free, you know, you don't got to deposit anymore. It's $50. I don't know what you buy some more crypto with it or whatever, but that's pretty cool. That's like winning a trade, you know, for 50% there. It's pretty awesome. But anyway, with Turbo here, we hit the 618 and got rejected. Is this thing ABCing? Well, if it is ABCing, it would take out any 5 waves up because an ABC would bring it down. Let's see, down here to about 0.0093873. okay? It would bring it down past the top of wave 1, and anything like that would be out. So you want to keep an eye on this low right down here. You don't want to see it lose this low right here. All right, and it respected it. That respected the top of wave 1 here. The closing candles on the top of wave 1 are down here. All right, you wouldn't want to see any violation of that. It stopped there. And so far it's held it. All right, you don't want to see a loss of that 0.00975. All right, we want to see a bounce come in here soon for this thing. The 4-hour RSI coming down. All right, the 8-hour also coming down. The 12, let's see here, the 12 is actually coming down also. All right, then you got your daily. Daily is correcting. Your weekly. Weekly looks like it might be correcting here. All right, if we take a look at this, you have major support levels. This thing came up. Let's get this off here and take a look at some Fibonacci levels here. All right, that is that's a super important thing. And if you check out a level 3 membership, guys, we have about 200 people in there. $15. That's it. $15. All right. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach how to start charting like this, and a link to the Discord. The Discord itself is worth a hell of a lot more than $15. Man, we have some great traders in there, posting trades every single day. And it's going fantastic. I love it being. I'm in there every day. Sometimes it's only for a few minutes. It depends on how much time I have. But I love it over there. Got some really great people in there, man. You'll love it for $15. It is a steal at that. Okay, the 10 hours of videos alone. Over 20 hours of videos to watch to teach you how to start charting like this. Just that alone is worth a lot more than $15. All right, I made it like that so it's affordable to everybody, and not only that, it helps the channel a ton. All right, if I, by the time that YouTube gets their money, they take taxes out. I get $7 or $8. A couple hundred people. That makes it worth doing every month. All right, it's hard to get. I get, I don't know, about 20,000 views a week, from doing videos, and that just wouldn't pay for my time. Now what we were looking at is a big wave 1 and 2 right here, and starting in wave 3, which we could still be doing. Inside of wave 3, you would have 5 waves. All right, so that could still be happening right now, no question about it. This could all be right in here. If you take a measurement of this, it's right at that area. It's right at the area for a wave 2 pullback, 50%. And it's gotten a nice bounce there on the daily. All right, so it is holding. It's been bouncing since we started the video here. When we started, it was way down towards that line. Oh no, it wasn't. I apologize. And the daily just looks a lot better than the 4-hour, right? The daily is up off that line pretty good. Now this pullback, where we at with the fib on it? From your low to your high, and we are getting to them areas where you are going to want to see a bounce. All right, let me put a box in here. Please hit that like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate that a million. All right, definitely helps me out, man. I need all the help I can get on here, trying to grow the channel and just be a good person, not a slime ball. Trying to give the best opinion of what I have is going on here. It's not financial advice. It's just my opinion of how I see things going on here in the market. All right, not financial advice at all. But you're going to want to see a bounce in this box. Okay, 0099711 up to the 618 here is at about a cent, about 1 penny. All right, so real soon you're going to want to see this thing take off. I mean, you could include the 786 down here as a last line of resort, but that is at 0.0099118. But definitely want to see a bounce here, right? And if it takes out this 786, I'd start worrying. because then it's taking out the fib levels. All right, so we're going to want to see that bounce right in this box here and turn around and head up. We'll leave that on there. Now, if it does turn around and head up, where could it be heading to? Well, right up. The target for this thing would be up here at 11.3. All right, 11.3. And if we come out, you try to line stuff up and see if stuff starts making sense, right? You're looking for levels to retrace to off the bigger time frames. All right, 11.3 would be right there. Okay, now it looks more like to me you got a very good support and resistance area right through there, right through here. Right, you got closing candles over here, closing candles here. That's about 11.25, so it might not hit the full extension if it comes up there, right? But that's very good chance of it hitting that zone. Let's turn this blue. All right, get this off here. Go from our swing high to our swing low. Oh, excuse me there. All right, now this, I don't know how. I must have got that target off of this right over here when this was pulling back here for, and this could all be happening. This could be a big wave one too. Like I said, 5 waves inside of it. But what we're looking for, is a move, which it did hit. It did hit it right over here. It hit the 618 right there. I did not know that without moving that down there. Right, so it hit the 618, pulled back, and now we're trying to get a retracement up here. Right, and on that 4 hour, yeah, that push up here. If it gets that, that would potentially just be all inside of this wave 3 here. So we're gonna keep an eye on turbo. Looks fine right now. I wouldn't worry too much unless we take this low out at 0.00975. Then I would think something else is going on. But in the meantime, I want to see a bounce in this box for sure. No lower than that. 0.09926. Want to see a bounce before that, and this thing start going heading to the upside. Now, if it takes out 0.0104, that's great news. That would be that high right here. All right, and this thing would be heading up. I still believe it's heading up. I do. All right, we made this first move up here, and this just looked. It's absolutely perfect to what this looked absolutely perfect. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then we nailed this pullback right into this zone. We were looking for that entry, in a 5th wave up here. If you come out, like on a 12 hour, right? Okay, wave 2, the closing candles on it are down here, okay? Right down here, all right? So we didn't violate it here. Wave 1, 2, wave 3 pulled down, but it did not close. Put a line there so you can see a little bit better, right? This was the top right there. And we're going to make that a 4, and we're going to turn that a different color here. How's white look? Yeah, not too bad, right? So you had the 1, 2, 3, 4. If we're starting this 5th wave, this thing could be possibly heading a lot higher here, right? First off, we're shooting for this target up here, 0.0116 to 0.0122. We make that, and then absolutely looking for higher targets after that. The next one after that would be up at 0.013733. Right, that would put it up past the 786, and then we might be looking to ABC structure possibly, and then maybe breaking out the top here and heading up these higher prices. All right, but right now turbo looks fine. Keep an eye on that low that I said here. That low right through here, and this low right up here, 0.00975. You want to see that hold. So far, we're starting to get a bounce there off that box. Went on the 1 hour. You can see a wick starting there. We're starting to get a bounce off there, right? So Not looking too bad. Have a great night, everybody. Go check out that crypto.com offer. It's a limited time, all right, and take advantage of it. Jeez, I mean, that's not a bad deal. It isn't like you have to deposit $1,000. Link is in the description of the video, and check out that level 3 membership, man. For $15, you get your money's worth, no question about it. Have a great night, everybody. Go Turbo. Thank you so much for watching my video.